Hey, thanks for clicking through on our ad. And look what just arrived into First Choice, and it's not Big Bird. No, it's not. It's a 2018 Stonic. It's called the first edition, I presume because it has all the bells and whistles on it, including exterior privacy glass, titanium alloys, chrome roof rails. There's what we call a lifestyle tow bar for bikes and things. Rear chrome subframe, protective strip. Look at this though, she's beautiful. Car for Glastonbury if you're going this weekend. But the bodywork is in fabulous order. It's got the lovely Kia chin spoiler there, spotlights, 1 litre manual, very easy to insure and drive. Immaculate in the back. I don't think anyone's been in the back of this. Half leather seats. You see the leather on the sides. Just a little bit funkier touch. And then inside we have all the bells and whistles. There you have your lane deviation alert, blind spot alert. There's the mileage there, 70,000 miles. You have cruise control, heated seats, even a heated steering wheel in this. Reverse camera, full mirrors, and so it goes on. Great car, lovely finish, it really is. Great value at whatever we're asking for it on the website now, and probably 15,950. And a bit of fun, lovely car. Give us a ring at some stage and we can organise a demo. All the best. It's going to be VRT next week, so we'll have an Irish reg on it. As I say, it's a 1 litre petrol. All the best. Thank you.